Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got some pretty good news for you guys. I got the RSX back and I have a new tire setup that I want to show you guys. I only changed the front tires for now. We'll see how this setup works out, and then I'll decide what tires I need to put in the back, because the back tires, they're still pretty new, but they're just kind of old now. The car's been sitting for a long time, so yeah, they're probably dried up, so they're probably ready to get replaced. But in the meantime, I'm gonna head up to a nicer spot where I can show you guys the outside of the car. All right, let's head on out. So first, I'm gonna take this off. If you guys are looking for any of these, I do sell them. Let me know, hit me up on Instagram or just leave a comment. I'll let you guys know where you guys can get them. Or actually, I'll put a link in the description to where you guys can get them. But yeah, let's head on out. So I'm gonna let the car warm up, and then we'll be on our way. Alright, so we'll head out. Yeah, so the car's been running pretty good. Look at this, I got power steering. I haven't had power steering in this car, I'd say probably around 3-4 years. I drove the car without any power steering until now. It feels completely different. The only thing I don't like is this steering wheel. I don't like it. I'm probably gonna have to be switching it out. I don't really like this one. It's just kind of, I don't know, it's too close to me as opposed to the OEM one. But I mean, I got this one, thinking trying it out, but I think I'm gonna have to either get an OEM one or maybe the JDM one. I've seen the JDM ones look nice. But yeah, I'm heading up right now. I'll pick it up when I'm up there. All right, and we're at the spot. Car off. All right, and here's the car. So this is the side where the tire was too close back here. Look at the other side. But it's better now. It's not perfect, but it's better. The tire clears, everything clears, so I can make a full turn as opposed to before I couldn't. But yeah, this is the new tire setup. So I got the Federal 595 RSRR in the front, which they're kind of like a semi-slick tire. You see, it's a lot stickier. A lot of the like gravel and stuff sticks to it. And then in the back I have Federal 595s, but these, I think they're more like a street version of it. It's not like a semi-slick. And I had these all around, and they were cool, but they weren't as sticky as I wanted them to be. So I'm hoping these are a little better. And I did get them a little bigger in the front. They're 225s, 45 17s. And in the front, I am happy. I have 235 45s, 94. It's a little thicker, looks better. Let me know what you guys think. Still playing with the height in the back. I was over here messing with it, so I'm not done with that. I might lower it a little bit more, but I don't know how much more I can lower it. I was messing with it yesterday, and my coil was almost maxed out. I have about 3/4 of an inch left. I didn't want to max it out, but I might have to. It's all right. I don't drive this car every day. Backs. This is how the back looks. This is how the back looks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new setup. Car's back. All right, so I figured I'd show you guys how these tires do on a first gear pull. So we're gonna do that right now. Quick look around, no cops, nothing. There's a dip right here. So it's pretty good. Pretty dang good. For being completely cold tires, it's pretty cold in the morning, and they did pretty good. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what type of content you guys want to see me do with this car. Like I said, I want to do some races, but do you guys want to see some track days? Do you guys want to see maybe some tow runs? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.